Dr. Joseph Fodero is a third-generation doctor who has achieved his childhood dream.
As a kid, I remember wanting to be a doctor, and that's never wavered, ever.
Dr. Fodero is a northern New Jersey native who began his practice in his home state more than a decade ago.
As someone from the Northeast, I understand what people in the Northeast want. I do see people from outside the area for very specialized surgery, but in general, the majority of my patients come from the Northeast, and I understand their needs.
His father was a doctor, so Dr. Fodero was able to start his cosmetic surgery practice in his father's office.
And I started my practice very humbly, very simple. We built my practice one patient at a time. I did a lot of trauma work, and slowly, over the years, I built a cosmetic practice.
His practice today consists of a state-of-the-art 5,000 square foot facility that features a comfortable and warm environment from the front lobby to the exam rooms. It even has its own on-site surgical center that provides an extremely private experience for his patients who come from a variety of backgrounds and ethnicities.
We're taking care of more men now. We're taking care of darker skinned patients, African Americans, Asians, Hispanics, and they have different cultural ideas of what beauty is. They have a different sense of what they want from a plastic surgeon. So in order to be a contemporary plastic surgeon, you have to be respectful of those differences, cultural and physical, and incorporate that into your specialty.
Though he can perform most any plastic surgery procedure imaginable, most of his patients come for rejuvenation in a few basic areas.
The thrust of the practice involves facial rejuvenation, rhinoplasty, body contouring, plastic surgery after massive weight loss, and surgical and non-surgical techniques.
But all of that work can't be done alone. Dr. Fodero has personally handpicked an experienced team that takes care of its patients at the very highest level. Everyone from the receptionist to the nursing staff understands their role in making the patient experience exceptional.
I have assembled a staff with the same desires to take meticulous care of patients.
The whole staff here is phenomenal. And because I did 3 major surgeries with them, I got to know everybody very well here and never felt that I couldn't come forward any time of day or night if I needed their assistance.
Dr. Fodero's cosmetic surgery credentials are second to none. He went to Georgetown University for his undergrad work. From there, he went to Yale Medical School. Then it was off to the highly acclaimed University of Michigan, where he completed a 6-year integrated plastic surgery residency.
We had an exceptional staff to teach me the techniques. We also had people from around the world coming as visiting professors to share their knowledge. So I can't think of a better place to train in plastic surgery than the University of Michigan.
As in most industries, cosmetic surgery is a specialty that is in a constant state of evolution. That's why Dr. Fodero and his staff routinely take twice as many continuing education classes in the field as the state requires. But it's having more than 10 years worth of hands-on, practical clinical experience in a private practice that has taken his cosmetic surgery skills and results to new heights. This is truly one New Jersey plastic surgeon who clearly appreciates where he's at and remembers where he came from. It's an approach where the patient wins every time.
I know that practices are built on one patient at a time, and that is still the most important thing to remember. So when someone comes to see me, I consider it a privilege that they're there and allowing me to take care of them. And that has served me well, and that's something that my father taught me.